Hi guys, welcome to this third example of time zones. So again, we're starting in Canberra and we're going to be in our time zone of 10 hours in front of Greenwich Mean Time. Local time here is still going to be 9 AM on Tuesday. This time we're going to go to Rio De Janeiro and the latitude and longitude have been given to us here, so let's go and plot it on the map. Okay, so for latitude we have 22.9 degrees south, right, and we have our Tropic of Cancer here, Tropic of Capricorn here, and that is at 23.5 degrees south, and so our latitude is of 22.9 degrees. We'll be sitting just above that. So the longitude we're looking for this time is 43.2 degrees west. So west will be travelling to our left hand side on this map. So this first border line that we come to here actually makes 30 degrees west, and then we will track over to the other side of the map and we'll find the other border is also making the line 30 degrees west, because this is a projection of the globe, and so those two lines on the globe would be one line, they would be meeting. And here we have our 60 degrees west. We can split this into thirds, so we have our 40 degrees west and 50 degrees west and 60 degrees west. So our spot is 43 degrees west, so we'll just come up just a little bit past 40 degrees west, and we will look for this intersecting line which is just above the Tropic of Capricorn. So now we need to think about which time zone Rio de Janeiro is sitting within. So if we go back to Greenwich, here we have our 0, okay, and as we start to travel west, we will be taking time away from Greenwich Mean Time. So this first line that we have here on the border, this line of longitude, which is 30 degrees west, will be -2 hours or 2 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time, as will this line here, because it is the same line of longitude, 30 degrees west. So we also have this one here, which is 60 degrees west, and our Rio de Janeiro is sitting basically between 30 degrees and 60 degrees west. So there's 2 hours, so -2 to -4, and because we're sitting right in the middle there, we can say that Rio de Janeiro is 3 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so here we have our diagram to help us work out what the local time is in Rio de Janeiro. It is 3 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time, so we can write that in straight away. Okay, and we'll grab a line. Now in this first jump, we're just going to go back 9 hours, which will take us back to midnight. If we go from 9 AM back 9 hours, it's going to take us back to midnight. Okay, but we're 10 hours in front of Greenwich Mean Time, so we need to subtract another hour to get back to Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, and we were at midnight here, and then we went back an hour further. So that takes us back to 11 p.m. on the night before. So it's now Monday. We can say that's London. So to get to Rio de Janeiro, we need to take a further 3 hours away. Okay, so we're at 11 p.m. here, and if we take a further 3 hours away, it's going to take us to 8 p.m. on Monday.